In front of me is Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to customize colors, how to adjust the display colors on this device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps and enter the settings. Go to System and here click on Advanced Features. Now click on Developer Options. If you cannot find Developer Options here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock Developer Mode, and then you will be able to unlock them and enter. Now scroll down and open Simulate Color Space right here. And now you can just pick the mode that you would like to apply. So here you've got all the options, pick the colors that you want to apply and smoothly use your device in this color mode. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can change color mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.